When they ignore you, do these four things. Hello, welcome to Mystery Teacher. In this video, I'll tell you four secret tricks to get control when you are being ignored by someone. So, friends, when someone ignores you, your brain panics and you overreacts. But it's the time when you lose your power. So, I'll help you with this, but first, you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any good videos from Mr. Teacher. So let's begin. Secret 1. The silence mirror. When they ignore you, don't chase them. Don't over explain. Match their energy to pull people back in. If they are right choice, they will understand and come back to you. Secret 2. Detach from the outcome. The moment you need a reply, you become predictable. And predictable people are easy to ignore. Control your desire to ask them to reply. Stay confident, not cold. Understand their situation, understand your worth. Be patient, and next time you will get what you want. Secret 3. Redirect your energy. If you think making someone respond you is power, then remember every minute spent refreshing your phone is a minute stolen from your growth. Set your goals first, work on your body and soul and mind. This alone will change you on how people perceive you. Secret 4. Maintain your boundaries. Being ignored is not always disrespect, guys. Sometimes it's information. When they ignore you, just ask yourself, would I accept this treatment for someone? This will give you an inner voice to understand where your boundaries are. Remember, you don't need to chase someone to ask you, how are you doing? Special people already knows your worth. They don't make you feel uncomfortable by not seeing your messages even when they are online. They ask about your health and care of your mood swings. They don't ignore your calls just on small fights or for the people around them. That's why don't be worried about such people. Maintain your peace first. Famous philosopher Socrates believed that self knowledge was the highest power. So instead of asking others why he or she is ignoring me, ask yourself what I truly need. Silence from others is not your defeat, it's simply an invitation to master yourself. Stay focused, stay protected. Peace.